Students of class 5th, today we will start our new chapter 4, the nervous system. So students, do you know what is the nervous system? क्या होता है nervous system? Let me tell you. All the functions of our body are controlled by the nervous system. हमारी बॉडी में जितने भी functions होते हैं सभी nervous system control करता है. So the nervous system is the main control unit and transmission center of our body. Now in this picture you can see the girl is not able to identify the object without seeing it. This is because of our nervous system. The brain, spinal cord and the nerves are parts of our nervous system. Brain, so let we know about the brain and the functions of brain. Okay, the brain is the main organ of nervous system. Nervous system का main organ हमारा brain होता है. It controls all the body functions and help us to think, memorize and take decisions. ब्रेन का क्या वर्क होता है? ब्रेन का वर्क होता है कि ये हमारी बॉडी के फंक्शंस को कंट्रोल करता है और हमको सोचने में, मेमोरी रिमेंबर करने में या फिर डिसीजंस लेने में हेल्प करता है. It is placed inside the skull at the top of the spinal cord. The skull protects this delicate organ. The brain is made up of millions of nerves. Do you know? The brain is made up of millions of nerves which are closely interconnected with one another. Now you can see the picture of brain. Here are some parts of the brain like cerebrum, cerebellum, spinal cord and medulla oblongata. So let we read about these parts. First is cerebrum. The cerebrum is dome shaped and is the largest part of our brain. ये हमारे brain का एक largest part होता है और ये dome shaped होता है. Dome होता है गुम्बद, like गोल जो होता है. It allows us to think and take decisions. Okay. It controls our sense organ. Sense organ आपको पता है ना? We can see, hear, feel, touch, speak and smell due to the cerebrum. It manages our memory and intelligence. Okay. Another one is cerebellum. Cerebellum is placed before the cerebrum. ये उससे पहले place होता है. It controls the voluntary movements of our body. It also maintains our balance and body postures. Voluntary movements होते हैं जो कि हमारे control में होते हैं. Okay? तो ये उनको control में करता है. And it also maintains our balance and body posture. इसको भी maintain करता है. Next is medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata is a stem-shaped structure. Stem, do you know stem? तना. Stem-shaped structure that joins the brain to the spinal cord, जो कि brain से spinal cord means backbone को join करता है. It is also called the brain stem. इसको brain stem के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. It controls the voluntary actions like breathing and heartbeats and work even when we sleep. इनवॉलंटरी एक्शंस होते हैं जो कि हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हैं, जैसे ब्रीथिंग, हार्ट बीट्स, तो ये उनको कंट्रोल करता है. स्पिनल कॉर्ड, एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, इट इज़ द बैक साइड बैकबोन इन द गिवन पिक्चर. द स्पिनल कॉर्ड इज़ अ थिक बंडल ऑफ नर्व्स दैट एक्सटेंड्स फ्रॉम द मेडुला ऑब्लोंगेटा टू ऑलमोस्ट द एंड ऑफ द स्पाइन. Nerves from various parts of body join it from either side of the vertebral column. Thus, the spinal cord transmits message between the brain and the rest of the body. इसका क्या वर्क होता है? ये मैसेज को ब्रेन से हमारी बॉडी में ट्रांसफ़र करता है. And it is the thick bundle of nerves. Next is nerves. So what is the work of nerves? Nerves carry messages between the brain and the other parts of the body. Okay? नर्व्स का क्या वर्क होता है कि ये ब्रेन से हमारे बॉडी के अदर पार्ट्स को मैसेज ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं. दे आर मेड ऑफ न्यूरॉन्स और नर्व सेल्स. देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ नर्व्स इन आवर बॉडी. ओके, 3 टाइप्स की नर्व्स होती हैं हमारी बॉडी में: सेंसरी नर्व्स, मोटर नर्व्स एंड मिक्स्ड नर्व. सो लेट वी रीड अबाउट दीज 3 टाइप्स ऑफ नर्व्स. फर्स्ट इज सेंसरी नर्व्स. These carry message from the sense organs to the brain and the spinal cord. Okay, so what is the work of sensory nerves? These carry message from the sense organ to the brain. हमारे sense organs से message को transfer करते हैं brain तक and the spinal cord यानी कि backbone तक. When the brain interrupts these messages, we are able to see, hear, feel, etc. Okay. When the brain interprets these messages, we are able to see, hear, feel, etc. Okay. Another one, next one is motor nerves. These carry messages from the brain and the spinal cord to the glands and muscles. These helps in the movement of muscles and secretion of essential fluids by glands. Mixed nerves. These carry messages to the brain as well as carry orders from it to the other body parts. They act as connectors between the sensory nerves and the motor nerves. Okay. Reflex actions. Reflex actions are quick and sudden, जो कि suddenly होते हैं, अचानक quickly होते हैं. These are automatic actions which we perform without thinking, जो कि हम बिना सोचे हुए कोई actions जब करते हैं. When we accidentally touch a hot object, we quickly remove our hand and away from the object. This is a reflex action where the message is not transmitted to the brain. These actions are controlled by the spinal cord. It senses danger and take quick actions to save our body. Similarly, an electric shock causes spontaneous reactions. It means the actions that we do suddenly and quickly without thinking are called reflex actions. Look in this picture. When you touch a hot object, then spinal cord will work and you will take your hand back without thinking. This is the reflex action where the message is not transmitted to the brain. Okay, clear? In the next video, we will read about the sense organs.